Okay, so what I'm checking out today is right there, and you'll see better what they are when we get up there. If I can get up there. This road looks a little dicey. Hopefully we can get up there. If not, I'll probably just walk actually. Okay, so this is a piece of Utah history. These are called the Beehive Kilns. They were used back in the mining days. And what happened was a big earthquake caused the mine to collapse and caused a couple of these to collapse. And they just left them. Pretty interesting. And look at the view from up here. Gorgeous. Let's check it out. Let's check out one that's not destroyed. You see people have built fire pits in here. There's the vent. It's probably bats, so I'm not going in it. Here's one that was destroyed by the earthquake. Long time ago. Very cool. Man, it's cold. It's like 23 degrees right here. That one was collapsed by the earthquake, and this one was just completely destroyed by the earthquake. I don't know what year that earthquake was. I just know it was back in the 1800s, maybe early 1900s, but if you want to look up the history, just Google Beehive Kilns, Utah. Bunch of mining equipment down there. And it looks like no one's been up here since the snow because there were no footprints or anything. Alright, soaking in the view. You can actually see the highway that I'm going to be taking back towards Salt Lake, right there. Alright, well, these are the Beehive Kilns right here. Very, very interesting, huh? What a view. There's an old building right here. Destroyed, of course. Must have been a pretty bad earthquake that hit to destroy all of this. Wipe out an entire mining operation. Coming into the town of Milford. Very small town out here in the middle of nowhere. It's a historic railroad town. There's not even any fast food joints here. So I'm going to be turning north towards Delta on the 257. Here's Milford. Tiny, tiny town. There's their city offices. Very tiny. And that was Milford, Utah. Heading north on the 257 now towards Delta. We're about 200 miles south of Salt Lake City. Look at all those windmills out there. So many of them. They go on for miles too. That's awesome. If you can see that steam over there, it's one of the only geothermal power plants on the planet. They started doing it in America, and the UK and other countries over there in Europe want to start doing it as well. Very efficient. So many windmills. Massive amounts of solar panels here. Solar panels just go on and on and on. Crazy. Heading north on the 257 towards Delta. Freight train headed towards Southern California. Another road I gotta check out next spring. Goes all the way out to a cool place called the Lava Tubes. And then it crosses the highway and goes way down there. Some other cool places. I got so much to check out. It's unbelievable. It never ends in Utah. Gorgeous sunset here. Finally back in the northern Utah West Desert. Whenever I come back from Delta, instead of going through Salt Lake, I go through Tooele just to avoid the traffic. There's always a better route. It's a lot prettier too. It is 28 degrees out there. It is here.